How to freeze and unfreeze Revolut card on mobile. Welcome! In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly freeze and unfreeze your Revolut card using the mobile app. This feature is a great way to protect your account if your card is lost or you notice suspicious activity. First, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your cards. From the home screen, tap on the Cards tab. This will display all the cards linked to your Revolut account. Next, choose a specific card you want to freeze or unfreeze. Tap on it to view the card details and settings. To freeze the card, toggle the Freeze Card switch to On. This will instantly block all transactions from that card. When you're ready to use the card again, toggle the same switch to Off. Your card will be reactivated right away. Remember, freezing your card is useful if it's misplaced or if you suspect unauthorized activity. Always unfreeze only when you're certain your card is safe to use.